Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to play multiplayer in Subway Surfers. Alright, if you found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, we would need to link our account. It could be a Facebook or Google Play, okay, or even Game Center if you're using iOS, to compete on the Top Run leaderboard. Okay, so first up, you're going to tap on the gear icon right here at the top right. Connect either your Play Games or Facebook account. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and connect my Play Games account. Even my Facebook right here. And then once that's done, I'm going to tap on X. And now you'll have the leaderboard. Go ahead and go to Top Run right here, the top left. Tap on Get Results. All right. Here you have your Top Run score. You can go ahead and tap on Continue. Claim everything. And here we have your friends. So you just go ahead and compare. You could view your friend's profile right here. But the problem is you won't be able to know who's who, right? Now going back. Now, if you are trying to participate in a race, okay, against others in real time, or even with your friends, you should participate in the mode called Subway Showdown. You can go ahead and go to events right here. If a Subway Showdown is available, you can just go ahead and join, and that should be it. Again, you can just go ahead and challenge your friend directly. And then after that, you can go ahead and tap on your profile right here, share your profile, and your high score will be shared. All right, tap on share right here and send it to whoever you want. That's basically it. That is how you play multiplayer in Subway Surfer. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.